Hi, in my last video, I introduced you to another CAD pattern drafting software that is completely free. Now, the difference between this CAD pattern drafting software and Simly 2D that I love talking about is that this one is completely cloud-based, and it is not just a 2D pattern drafting software. It also comes with 3D simulation. So I'm going to be doing several videos on this particular software. It is called Seamscape. If you've not watched that video, please go ahead and watch that video. You'll find a playlist directly below this video. As you know me, I like taking time to actually look at a CAD pattern drafting software to see if what the producers say it can do, whether it can actually do it. So this is video 2 of my series on Seamscape cloud-based digital pattern drafting software. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we can enter our measurements, because everything that has to do with digital pattern drafting starts with entering your measurements. So I'm going to start with the measurements, and I'm going to use a measurement sheet. If you want to follow me and use that same measurement sheet, I have a link below this video that you can download the measurement sheet. It comes from EU size 32 to EU size 48. So you can follow me along, and let's see how easy it is for a beginner to use Seamscape. Ever wondered how you can change your CAD pattern drafting skill to revenue? You do not need to be a professional. Just start with an idea or a picture. This course will actually show you step by step how to turn your sketches or pictures into digital CAD patterns that you can sell on a digital website and begin to generate revenue. If that interests you, then click the link below and start your journey on earning with your digital skills. So let's get to Seamscape. Once you come to Google, you put in Seamscape. And the very first one here, Seamscape free digital pattern drafting software. You click on it. And once you click on it, it takes you to their website. As I said before, when I introduced this to you in my first video, this is the second video. So if you want to really follow me along and see how you can use this to draft, then this is my second video. So go ahead and watch the first one so that you know exactly what Seamscape is all about. So once you land here, we are now going to instead of opening the pattern studio where the patterns drafting actually takes place, we are going to scroll down, because what we want to do is to enter the measurement. I discovered that if I go to Pattern Studio to enter measurements, they do not show you exactly where to measure. And for some people, it might be difficult because of the terminology they are using in Seamscape when it comes to measurement. And you know, my video is for making digital patterns easier for the beginner, taking you by the hand and showing you how to transit from manual pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting. So once you reach here, you just scroll down and we are going to come to this body double. And we are going to go to launch. So you see, once you click body double launch, it comes to that, the pattern body shows you an elevator. So what you're going to do now, you see, anywhere you touch, like if I come here and put this here, the cursor here on the neck girt, you see that it shows me exactly where to measure. So that is the point I want to make. It shows you where to measure. And once you've measured it, that's your neck, you will now impute the values right here. You impute the values here. If you go to the next one, it shows you where to measure. So that is why I said you should start from this body double, so you can impute your measurements. If you go and start from the actual pattern drafting studio, it doesn't show you really where to measure. I'm going to show you in a second. So as I said, go ahead and do that. As you do that, it will just be showing you. There's a lot here. So if you see, it shows you where to measure, come here. It shows you how to measure it, come here. It shows you how to measure it. So it's very intuitive. So enter your measurements through this method. And once you've entered all your measurements, you can decide to export it and keep it. You can decide to save it and all that. You can decide to reset it back to all these measurements they already have here. So that's what I need you to do in this session. I'm not going to video all that. I've told you what we are going to do. So me, I will go ahead and I'll enter my own measurements, exactly my measurements, or I entered the measurements on the measurement sheet I told you. I have a measurement sheet directly below this video. You can click and download it, and you can use any of the sizes, to put in the measurements. So that's how easy it is. Shows you everything and where you are supposed to measure. So you measure it exactly like that. And please try to measure exactly what you see, because this is digital pattern. If you do not measure exactly what is told when you're drafting, you will not get exactly what you want to get. It's a lot of measurements, really. It's a lot, and it will take you probably an hour, 45 minutes to an hour to do this. 45 minutes to an hour for you to be able to do this. So just go ahead and do it, so that in my next video, we are now going to just plot a basic block. It's always best to plot first a basic block, and then we'll see how we can create other styles from that basic block. Just for us to try our hands on Seamscape and see whether it is easier than Simly 2D. Now, let me show you what happens if you go ahead and start from the pattern studio. Like if you come here and if you go to open pattern studio, see, it doesn't show you anything. If you go to body, it just shows you that the measurements you can just put in. Nothing. It doesn't show you. If you come here, it doesn't show you where to measure. But if you know what to measure, you can come and start from here. But for me, I just feel that it's better to start from that body double, so you see exactly how to measure what you're supposed to measure, so that whatever values you're putting in, they are accurate to your size or to the size of the customer or to the size, EU size, that you want to actually use, and plot your pattern. This video is not a long one. It's just to show you the best and simplest way I've discovered how you can enter your measurements on Seamscape, this cloud-based CAD pattern drafting software. And subsequently, we are really, really going to dig into it and see how easy it is to use. Thank you so much for watching this one, and stay tuned for my next video where we are going to use our measurements and actually start drafting using Seamscape. Stay blessed and see you in the next one.